Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Crystallized Esthetics and my name is Chris. I guess I'll start off by saying a couple things about myself. I am a licensed esthetician here in the state of Florida. I do lash extensions, facials, things of that sort, skincare. I will be uploading different videos on my channel about, DIY hacks you can do at home, like your own lash extensions and how to do your own press-on nails, things you can do during quarantine to make yourself still feel pretty, but even though you're not going anywhere. But today we are doing an unboxing of BoxyCharm. So excited. I've been waiting like forever for this to come. I initially started because of another YouTuber that I watch frequently, Sweets of Candy. She does a lot of BoxyCharm unboxings, so I thought I would give it a try and see what BoxyCharm is all about. Because I am an esthetician, I did opt for half makeup and half skincare products inside of my box. So let's just jump right in here and see what we got. I'm gonna open it, use my little tweezers. Okay. All right, so like this. Let's see. So cute. All right, so we got some good stuff in here. Let's see. Comes a little card. And this just tells you everything that's inside the box. So let's start with this. This is Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. Might be good. Let's see. Creamy nutrient dense soothing mask with antioxidant rich berries and probiotics that instantly boost skin's health. It retails at $49. Looks like a little bit spilled out a little during the transport here, but it does smell good. It smells like berries, raspberries and blueberries and all that other good stuff. Yeah, we'll give this a try tonight when I wash my makeup off. All right, let's see. Then we got a deluxe hyaluronic acid face and eye night cream by Avant. This is not a full-size product to me. This seems like a little travel size, but we'll see. Let's see. I don't even see it on this little page, so I don't know how much it is retail for. Nope, not on here. So don't know how much it's retail for, but smooth pea size amount. It's a night cream. Sealed, but hyaluronic acid basically helps retain moisture in your skin. So let's see how it feels on my skin. We're gonna rub that on. It smells good though. It smells like really fresh. Feels good. Back of my hand feels moisturized. Even though I'm not really an ashy girl like that. We'll see. What's next? Yay. Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. Very cute packaging. Comes out like most eyeshadow primers. Kind of look like concealer, but they kind of mattify your eyelids so you can put your eyeshadows on. Help them last a little longer and stick. Doesn't have a smell. But okay, that's cute. Next I have a lip pencil. It's in the shade Immortal. Who's this by? Oh, sorry. Gerard Cosmetics. This is a lip liner. Retails at $16. Immortal. This is what it looks like. Y'all can see that. Cute. I might use that. I like a little accent color sometimes. Then we have Studio Makeup Ease to Wear Eyeshadow Palette. It retails at $35. Let's see. Oh, it's a lot of nude colors. It's pretty cute. Very neutral, nude. Looks like some of it kind of broke off a little bit during transfer here, but it's okay. See those? I guess I can do a couple swatches for you. This is what it looks like on my arm. I don't know, can you see that? Pretty cute. They're very basic. They're basic nudes, but they are buildable. And how much did I say that? $35 retail price. And then we have makeup remover wipes by I Am Beauty Care. They retail at 17 bucks. They're Dead Sea Mineral plus Vitamin C Serum. I'm gonna use it on my arm right now to take this eyeshadow off. Very moist. Removed everything. Removed the eyeliner off. And the eyeshadow is all gone. Perfect. And if you don't know, vitamin C serum helps brighten your skin. So these will be good for your face. If you have any dark spots, any hyperpigmentation, stuff like that, it'll be awesome. So we'll see how that works, because I know I have some issues with my skin, especially right now. I'm almost 7 months pregnant, so I've been having a lot of hormonal acne and issues, a little bit of melasma, which I know some of you guys don't know what the hell that is, but whatever. So that's it for my BoxyCharm. There's nothing else in this box. I think it was a pretty good box. The eyeshadow primer actually retailed at $22. Wow. But I still don't see that Avant stuff on this list. So, yep. That's it. I can't wait for next month's BoxyCharm. See how this goes. I did pay in advance for 3 months so I can see, you know, how I like it. And if they send me like half and half of everything. And if I like it, I'll continue to use it, and I might even upgrade to premium or Luxe box. So we'll see what happens. But anyway, like, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you want me to make, if you do want to see some videos of me doing like my own eyelash extensions, DIY eyelash extensions, and just write in the comments, let me know.